Let's learn how to do motion tracking in CapCut. This is a cool technique where you can make the camera follow a specific person or object in your video. Before we dive into the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this in the future. To start, open CapCut on your device and import the video you want to edit. Next, click on the text tool, then add text. Type a period or any punctuation mark and click on Style. Choose a bright color like red or yellow, something that stands out on the screen. Increase the size of the punctuation mark and place it in the center of the frame. Then, extend the punctuation mark to cover the entire length of the video. Now, go back to the beginning of the video and select the video clip you want to motion track. Click on the keyframe button to add a keyframe. Position the object you want to follow, such as a football, within the punctuation mark. You can zoom in or out of your video to adjust its size. Once the first keyframe is set, move the video slightly and ensure the object stays within the punctuation mark. As you do this, new keyframes will automatically be added to your video. Continue these steps throughout the entire video, adding as many keyframes as necessary. Finally, review your video. If you're happy with the results, delete the punctuation mark, export your video, and save it to your gallery. And that's it. You've successfully made the camera follow an object in CapCut. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.